In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send proposals using Pandadoc in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, Pandadoc can streamline your document workflow, allowing you to create, approve, track, and e-sign documents 40% faster than traditional methods. First, we'll head over to Pandadoc's website. You'll immediately notice the user-friendly interface designed to enhance your productivity. When you reach the homepage, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. You can't miss it. Clicking on login will bring you to the login page where you'll see several sign-in options. For ease and security, I recommend using the sign in with Google option. This not only saves time but also keeps all your documents linked to your Google account for seamless access. Once you've clicked on the Google option, you'll be prompted to select your account. Choose your desired account from the list displayed. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to pick the one associated with your business needs to keep everything organized and professional. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Pandadoc dashboard where you'll have access to your projects and templates. From here, navigate to the Templates section. This area houses all standardized documents, making it easy to find a starting point for your proposal. Next, open the Template Gallery. This gallery is your treasure trove of pre-designed templates, suitable for a range of purposes such as sales, proposals, agreements, quotes, invoices, NDAs, and presentations. Browse through the options and select the template that best fits your needs. It's a great time saver, allowing you to focus on customizing content rather than starting from scratch. Once you've found the perfect template, simply click on the Use Template button. This will create a new document based on your chosen template. Follow the prompts and click Continue to start editing. Now comes the fun part, customizing your proposal. This is where you can make your document truly shine. Update it with specifics about your proposal, ensuring all details align with your objectives and requirements. Remember, adding your company branding and specific details can make your proposal stand out to your potential clients. When you're satisfied with the document, look for the Send button. Usually found in the upper right corner, clicking this will guide you through the process of sending your proposal to recipients. Fill in the necessary details such as email addresses and any personalized messages you wish to add. Pandadoc even offers tracking features so you can see when your proposal has been viewed, ensuring you stay on top of follow-ups. And that's it, a straightforward, efficient way to create and send a proposal using Pandadoc. I hope you found these steps clear and practical. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.